How to view deleted post on Reddit. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view deleted post on Reddit. If you want to see deleted Reddit post, this video is for you. Just follow the simple steps. So Reddit does not have a built-in feature to view deleted post. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and open a browser like Google Chrome and then go to the website, which is called revidit.com. Once you entered this in the search bar, hit search in your keyboard, and on Revidit, you can see removed content. You need to just enter your username or the Reddit sub-username in this box, then tap on Go, and you will then see an interface displaying the number of deleted posts found. Click on the available option to view your deleted Reddit post. This is how you can view the deleted post on Reddit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.